Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. To get started, obviously, let's open up settings. From here, you want to scroll down to General Management, Reset, and then Factory Data Reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the device, so if there is anything that you would like to keep, maybe some photos, videos, music, stuff like that, then do make sure you back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done this, or you simply don't want to, tap on Reset and then Delete All, and the process will begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.